Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to backup Windows files to external drive. It's really simple and easy. So doing a backup means you've got a potential backup you can go and use if you lose your computer files. So first of all, go and connect your hard drive to your computer. You can plug it in and then open up File Explorer. You want to come over to the left, you may need to scroll down, go and find this PC and it should then go and appear here. So now that it's appearing here, you want to come down to the bottom and click on search. Go and type in control panel like so. At the top of control panel, you go and see sort of the path here. Click on the arrow to the right of control panel and click on all control panel items. And you want to click on backup and restore. Now what we can do is go and set a backup. We can come over to the right side, click on set backup and you will then shortly get the pop-up. You will see it's loading. Now what you can do is choose where you want to do the backup. In this case, I'll go and select my this drive here, my external drive. Press next. You can let Windows choose what to backup or you can choose. In this case, I want to choose myself, so I'll press next, and what you can do is go and choose here. For example, I could start selecting different things, and what I want to do is just go and back up the documents, for example. So I could just have that selected, but of course you could go and select all of these here as well. Just press on next and you will go and see what you are going to backing up, and then press save settings and run backup, and they will go and be backed up. As you can see, it's in progress. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to backup Windows file to external drive. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.